सत्थी अदगी मयाम लेकाई संगा अखोगी युमगी मनुंग अखोब सोलोंजना थमेबा अखोबो फूसैना सोलोंजना थमेबा अखोबो हांदोई अदुगा अखोगी इचा
protested, but the security forces fired a lot of rounds and didn't let anyone come in and were
अदुगी मतुंग लगी अखोइना आइगी यामा सवाली कौवा अमा लै आइगी थक्ता बसेमा मयांग इम्फाल ओसी दा अखोइना समिट तौई मतमजा अखोइगी वकचे लौबीदे अखोइगी दगास लौबीदे अमसुंग दगास तो लौदबे मतुंगदा अखोइ हलागा फवाक्चौ हाई स्कूल दा अखोइ लेकाइगी मियामगी जेसी अमा सेमी जेसी सिना मणिपुर के सीएम दा उनरगा मेमोरेंडम तरुक खक यावबा अपस्पा लौथो अपस्पा मरुम मी हातपनी अमसुंग सिरिबा मी हातपसी कमांडो सिंग मतिक चाबा दंदी पियो असमरान विचार तौबियो हाना वकचे डिमांड तरुक यावबा मेमोरेंडम पिसन सपदसु मयांगफाल ओसी प्रणादा हाइबसिना अखोइबु चलन खिते मयांगफाल दगी थिंगन की
Ashrad Ali, an elder brother of mine, went to Mayang Imphal police station to report about the incident killing of Azad, but they did not accept our report. Then a joint action committee was formed at the Phabokchong High School with the neighbors and other family members, and they tried to submit a 6-point memorandum to the Chief Minister. But the Mayang Imphal police station OC, Prahalada, did not allow them to do so. The memorandum consisted of a key point asking for the punishment of those who are guilty of the crime and for removal of AFSPA from Manipur.
अदुई मतुंगदगी अखोई उपाय लेतना वादा हनर मतमसिदा फोर्सना अखोई बु यामना वाना ओट नेदा मैंगफाल ओसिना सु ओलबय मतुंगदा लोकल एमएलए के खुथांगदा अखोई सीएम की मफंगदा मेमोरेंडम दि पिसलली पिसलबय मतुंगदा सीएम nga अखोई जेसी का वारी सानर मतुंगदा अखोई केसम फॉलो भी दना तो वसी मतुंगदा तो फेब्रुआरी मार्च तारसिगी तांग 13 दा अखोई डीजीपी ना ऑर्डर अमा थोई इंटेलिजेंस डीजीपी ना एलएम खौती है माले एलएम खौती है बामना मावंदा थोइबा थौदो सिगी मनुंदा इंक्वायरी अमा था अमागी मनुंदा थिगल्लो हाना डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी मा तौ हाना गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर अमा थोक्ता सिनै अदुबो मदुगी इंक्वायरी दसो ngasi बावा मतम हेनगसो रिपोर्ट पिरक्ते अखोइना हंगबदसो पाखुम बो पीदे अखोइसि वकत फम लेतदना आजाद खान सिगी केस अमा बो लौबीददना मयांगफाल पुलिस से लौबीदबा अदगी डिपार्टमेंटल इंक्वायरी तौनबसो अखोइगी थामै मनुंदा रिपोर्ट पिखरनबा सीआईडी इंटेलिजेंस पीब तौबदसो खौतेना तौबदसो रिपोर्ट अमबो थागलक्तबसदगी अखोइ यामना साकना मतम कुइना लेलबे मंगदा इफम अमसुंग ह्यूमन राइट एलर्ट कानी कुजुमनागा अखोइ ngasi मियाम सिगी ममांगदा अवाबसे अमक्तंग केसी और किबनि ngasi सुप्रीम कोर्ट फावदा.
After struggling a lot, we managed to get a memorandum through some of the local MLAs. So on the March 13, 2009, the Home Secretary brought out an order according to which an inquiry for 1 month was supposed to be performed by DGP Khaute. But till now, no report came. No case regarding Azad Khan has been taken up.
Masigi maram di ay mati khidang palamge Manipur da ay khoi gi sida yamwana ay Manipur da lai banina Manipur khakta ge hai jage Manipur da sumai to na commando kangu na misam hanaga khulai masa mon samjalaga toina tawri basigi maram di makhoi na mi ama bu halaba khulai masa ama phangadi Manipur government na medal amo pi makhoi da medal sigi damakta makhoi na Manipur da hingjai ba misam ai khoi bu thiraga tawro da bang amoy da khoi bu thiraga happy bani hai basi masoi na mi am da tamjani.
I want to say that the reason why there is so many killings in Manipur is a pattern of like killing somebody and putting a small gun or some weapon on them to like class them as terrorists. This tradition in Manipur is because the Manipur government gives a medal for how many people a commando or a police officer can kill, and this is and so they do all this for gallantry awards.
अदुगी मतुंग नगी अखोय आजाद खान से सीगर मतुंगदा अखोय अदुगी मदि मामजी सीबंगम जबगी चागा थमोय दले होबनी मागी मामा सो हजि पोबु ग्याल तादन लेनी साइकेट्रिक ना संगरे मामा सो मागी मपा सो नि येंगबि मागी सक्तम जिना ado aikoi upai leidana leine marakida jungi aikoi humenan elaka ifam ga yawna case ama tawi Guwahati High Court adu matung lagi jungi tang dari kawe tang ta hum loidara ta jungi tang kunma pada Manipur ki hogi huelang bawa paper tu dah iri heading dah Mahiroi Azad Khan ki judicial inquiry jungi tang kuni panda ki sathaba horani hai na iri pa hoi madu ki paper tu parba ki koi amaka hai na humener ela ifam pun na yaga masih kai da uro kesi matang hai na kupna na sama makoi ki inquiry tawami kai tawami adu ai koi ngona respond ama popiti nangi nasa lalo ni lamlo ki hat pani hapsa koi de kangande asum mani soi ki bani hapsa koi de kangande sumai to gra mi bu ot laga nei laga thamase miyam na matang khannabiyo miyam na matang nei nabiyo indian ki constituency da yawa mi oi ba mana misam na hingba ki hakse kai phau leiba ke maju phau to ge habat su miyam na hena khangi duri nei nabiyo ai koi di thap laba manipur ki lawai khungang da ki laga mafam asida ngasi miyam ko unadana miyam ki sajok ke lona ipam ngi matinga ngasi case aji buka chari pani.
We have been heartbroken after Azad was killed. Azad's mother is still has psychiatric problems, and you can see how his father is. So after a lot of struggle, there was along with IFAM, there was a court hearing in Guwahati High Court, after which on June 21st, 2010, a judicial inquiry was started. However, even today, we still haven't got any response. We don't know what happened. Why did they kill our son? Whether he was guilty of something. They didn't tell us what was his fault. And they haven't said anything. They haven't said whether he was an innocent either.
Adu matangna, adu su respond amo pi dawe matungna, ai koi si kana hali. Asum mama di khanga gadi ngasi ai isa si graga su ai naunu pa isa si su asum mama khanga di mi mai mama ma pa ba koi si o isa na lan bai ne na pen thok ngam ga da ngam da la ko da na sari ba sahi sida ai koi Supreme Court ki order magi makha da commission ki member hum la kana ai koi imphal da thijil humjil re maza hearing satare ai koi matam da khangi o sibai sing hat mi juk puthore man di karam mi oi no kana no ha so ai koi mafam da khang ma da kidang tamoi da santi di lai adu asum amadi wayan amadi ngasi bawada ai koi phangdana Supreme Court na so ai koi da kari bi ge dorimo nangi na sawa la le ha ga su natraga na sibai kamu na la le ha ga su maram sigi da ma hat pane ha ba du di hojik phausa Supreme Court na so ai koi da khangan balakri khanghandri masi maso ai koi pen de maram di India ki Supreme Court ha ba sidi Supreme Court amana asumanan bisar tawgadamni ha ba se masi maji ai sengna pami asumanan bisar tawgadami bo ta hat pa bisar su taw tawdringa da hekta hat pa ha ba se masi maji ai suya yaning de masima yaning de simai hainingi ani subana ai koi ki handaki hau ki ba July ki tangta te ta Manipur University da Women Right ki koi ki women information right to information act hai ba ama Manipur University da function am to ki aga Manipur ki DGP na sumaina hairame ai samaya hoi maza sumaina hairame handak Supreme Court ki commission ahum laga numit kharara fake encounter ni sasinaba nongoi ka phane ne ta hai base haimalli moi court ki arano oini hai masi DGP ki kari wathol no court bu singnari bra masi maswai miyam na naina ningi sumai tawra ai koi ga awa base ai gum victim mayam ma Manipur le victim lising amga sama ka no hel le masi na kap gi tin thakol mayam se simaham se la ga miyam ga unang dab singam dab gi ai koi be mihut oina salaga ai koi punna am tang unaru haina ai koi mafam se la ga una dabani lamna masal le riba mipung kri mangna ai koi gi prithvi ki mapam da manung da riba ai di koi be le riba awa man nang laba mayam sina ai koi gi sawa ba sau ga bi da amuk tang di masi isora Pradhan Tawiraga Supreme Court ki order si matadi atuba matamda khangan biyo hai basi makak ay thamjaga mapamase wangang way biday lungzer.
In the commission, 3 members of the commission came to Manipur and they conducted an inquiry. But until now, we don't know for sure why he was killed. What is the truth? You cannot kill someone just like that. And the Supreme Court has to give us a definite answer. He adds that on the 17th of July 2013, at the Right to Information Act awareness program conducted in the University of Manipur, the DGP of Manipur said that the Supreme Court saying all these 6 cases as fake encounters is impossible. So Bashir uncle says, how could the DGP of a state say something like that? Isn't he in contempt of court? And with that, he says that he represents all those victims of the more than 1,500 cases of extrajudicial execution that has been happening in Manipur, and he asks for your support, and he also expresses solidarity for all those people who are suffering such fate in the world. Thank you. I would just like to conclude with telling a little bit more about the 4 cases of those family members who are seated on the stage. They have similar stories to tell. In case of Govind and Nobo Maite, the news of their death came through the 7:30 news of the All India Radio. This was even before the family realized that the news was about their sons. They were shot with intent to kill, as a post-mortem shows that 16 bullets had entered Govind, fired from a close range, and Nobo had 5 bullet injuries on his body. Umakant was also tortured and killed. He had bullet wounds and lacerated wounds on his body. Kiranjit was similarly tortured before he was killed in cold blood. The same is true for Priyabrata, who was found in the morgue with severe bruises on his face caused by a blunt object. He was also tortured and killed in cold blood. These 6 cases are among thousands of extrajudicial execution that happens in this neglected corner of India. It is a direct consequence of the impunity that rides on acts like ASPA. To say that there is human rights violation in Manipur is in fact an understatement. In Manipur, everyone is a suspect and everyone is a terrorist. The truth behind this so-called fierce encounters has finally begun to unravel in the course of this joint writ petition submitted by IFAM and Human Rights Alert to the Supreme Court of India. We can celebrate the victory of these small battles, but there is a long way before one can think of a peaceful Manipur where men, women and children can live without fear. A utopic notion for many Manipuris, you can be sure of that. Having said this, organizations like IFAM is a testimony to the strength and resilience of the people. It is a platform for instilling awareness and forging solidarity while simply refusing to accept the dictates of a lawless society. Instead of being pushed into victimhood, the members are trying to become agents of social change. IFAM looks forward to sharing of experiences for mutual encouragement with those similarly struggling anywhere else in the world. Thank you for listening with empathy.
Javed Ahmed Bala.